Hi, friends. I'm Emily, and welcome back to Let's Chat English, the podcast where we make English easy, friendly, and fun. Let me ask you something. Have you ever said something like, I'll see you in 5 p.m., or she was born in Monday? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, we're going to finally clear up one of the most confusing grammar points in English: prepositions of time: in, on, and at. Stay with me till the end for a mini quiz, real-life examples, and tips you won't forget. Let's go. Part 1. Using at for exact time points. First up, at. We use at when we talk about a specific point in time. Think of it like a tiny dot on your timeline. Some common examples are at 5 o'clock, at noon, at night, at Christmas. Try this. The class starts at 8 p.m. See? It's precise. It's exact. It's at. Part 2. Using on for days and dates. Next is on. We use on for specific days and dates. If you can see it on a calendar, it's probably on. Examples: on Monday, on July 4th, on my birthday, on New Year's Eve. Let's say I was born on a Sunday. So when you're thinking about days, think on. Part 3. Using in for longer periods. Now we come to in. Use in for longer periods of time: months, years, centuries, and parts of the day. Like in July, in 2025, in the morning, in the 21st century. For example, they moved here in 2018. Remember, if it's a big block of time, think in. Part 4. Let's compare in, on, at. So let's compare them quickly. In for longer periods like months or years. On for specific days or dates. At for precise time points. Try saying this out loud. The party is on Saturday at 7 p.m. in July. Part 5. Quick quiz time. All right. Time for a quick quiz. I'll say a sentence with a missing word. You fill in the blank. I was born blank July. Let's meet blank 3 p.m. She called me blank Tuesday. Don't worry, we'll check the answers in just a minute. Pause if you need time to think. Part 6. Real-life conversation example. Here's a real example from my week. So, Mark texted me and said, "Let's go out on Saturday night." I replied, "Great! I'll see you at 6. Maybe we can grab coffee in the evening." Real English, real situations. Simple, right? Part 7. Common mistakes and tips. Quick reminder. Some common mistakes: in Monday, on Monday, on 5 p.m., at 5 p.m. Try this memory trick. At equals a time. On equals a day is on the calendar. In equals in a big time frame. Part 8. Quiz answers and wrap-up. Time to check your answers. In July. At 3 p.m. On Tuesday. How did you do? Let me know in the comments or send me a message. If this episode helped, don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe. Next time on Let's Chat English, we're learning prepositions of place: in the car, on the bus, at the office. I'm Emily. Thanks for listening, and I'll chat with you next time. Bye for now.